So with time, when you stake it with Wonderland, you can actually, currently right now, the staking rate is at about over 80,000%. And what's really cool about that is if you were to invest $150 right now, it has the potential to reach almost $100,000 by next year. And I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and get time and stake it with Wonderland. I am not a financial advisor. This is only a tutorial on how to actually do this process, the IT part of it. So I am not a financial advisor and I do not give financial advice. Let's roll it. All right, so the very first thing that we're going to want to do is we need to add the Avalanche Network to our MetaMask. And in order to do that, you can actually go up to your little MetaMask icon here, click on it, click the little three dots here, and then expand view. When you click that, you're going to have a screen that looks like mine. And then you're going to click on this up here where you see Ethereum mainnet and click add network. All right, so what we're going to have to do next is input the data for add a network. I've already pre-filled all this data. I have all this information down below in the description to help you guys out, so you don't have to read off the screen and type it. You can just copy and paste. What we're going to do is we're going to set up the network name, the RPC URL. You see that little red text below it where it has like that little error. That's because I already added this, so it's telling me that it can't be used because I already have it. You have the chain ID as well as the currency symbol and the block explorer URL. Once you've filled all that in, what you're going to do is you're going to click that little blue button that says save. It's grayed out for me, like I said, because I already have this added to my MetaMask, but you should have that available. Just click save and move on to the next step. So we're going to go ahead and head back to the MetaMask home right here. You can see here, I already have my AVAX. And account. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to take this, copy it to clipboard, just click on it and it's copied. Very simple. And this is going to be the wallet address that we're going to send our AVAX to from wherever we received it. If you use Coinbase Pro, Coinbase, or whatever, this is where you're going to send it to. Now, go ahead and head on to your exchange of your choice. I'm going to be using Coinbase Pro, but you can use whatever you like. Once you're on the exchange, select market, go ahead and search for AVAX. You can do AVAX BTC, USD, EUR, USDT, whichever is your choice, of, whatever you like. I'm going to go ahead and do USD. You can go ahead and look at the buy. You can set it at a limit, or you can do a market. For this example, I'll just do market. Let's just say I want to do, $100 worth. Let's see here. You have to recognize there is a fee of 50 cents. That should be fine. And I'm going to go ahead and place the buy order. Success. All right. So what you're going to do now is go ahead and click on portfolios and then go to your Avalanche portfolio, and you should see the Avalanche that you currently have. What you're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and withdraw it to our MetaMask wallet. So you go ahead over here, click on withdraw. And once we have AVAX, go ahead and click on that. We're going to go ahead and send it to a crypto address. And here is where you're going to paste the address from your MetaMask. So let's go back to MetaMask. Go ahead and copy that and head back to Coinbase Pro. Go ahead and paste it in. Click use this address. Good. And if you want to send everything, just click max. You can see here there's a network fee of 0.013. That is fine. And just click withdraw. Here, go ahead and enter your two-step verification. Hopefully you guys have that set up. And click withdraw. And your withdrawal has started. It usually takes a few minutes. It can take upwards of 30 minutes, but in my experience, it's been relatively quick. All right, so the next thing that we're going to have to do is go to traderjoexyz.com. Again, the link is down in the description. And what we're going to do here is we're going to connect our wallet. So just going to be up in the top right. You can have the ability to connect your wallet. Once you connect your wallet, you're going to go over to trade. And we're going to be trading AVAX for time. And then you can go ahead and input however much AVAX you want to put in. Sometimes I don't get it's kind of buggy where it doesn't actually tell me how much I have. So a solution I found for this is to actually use a incognito browser and try it that way. So let's go ahead and do that. So we are now in the incognito browser. So let's do the same thing again. Click trade. And you can see here now it's showing the correct trade balance. And just a FYI, as a troubleshooting tip, if you don't see your MetaMask here, you have to enable it in Google Chrome's settings to allow this extension to be used incognito mode. But yeah, with that being said, we can go ahead and swap it. So let's go ahead and swap everything for, let's do time. All right. Next, we're just going to go ahead and click swap. And you see here, let's go ahead and update the price. It does that frequently as the price changes. Confirm swap. And now we're waiting for the confirmation. So we're going to go in here, go ahead and confirm it. And the transaction has been submitted. So when we go back to our MetaMask wallet, we can see that we do have our time asset right here. Looks great, nice and beautiful. Now we head over to wonderland.money. Again, the link is down in the description. And here you're going to be greeted with the Cheshire Cat from Alice in the Wonderland. Fantastic character, great movie as well, good book. Be sure to go ahead and check that out. But what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and click enter app. Once the app loads, we have connect wallet. It's the first thing we'll be prompted with. So let's go ahead and click connect wallet. And we're going to do our MetaMask wallet, or if you have another wallet like a Trust wallet, you can use Wallet Connect. But we have MetaMask, so let's go ahead and do the MetaMask wallet. And we are in here. What we can do is we can go ahead and max that out with all the time that I have. I have 0.150112559 in my MetaMask wallet. So we go ahead and stake that if you would like. The current APY is right there, TVL, the current index. Now you can also do minting. Minting's a whole different topic, and I can cover that in another video. But for the purposes of this video, staking is just that simple. You just go ahead and max it out if that's what you want to do. You go ahead and stake your time. You're going to have to confirm it in MetaMask. Click confirm. And it's pending. So this will take a few minutes and it'll notify you once it's complete. And now that it's complete, you can see here, if you just go to unstake and click max, you can see the amount you went ahead and staked. I'm not sure how to say it. Anybody know? And then if you want, you go ahead and check out this little calculator tool. This will give you an idea. So my staking currently right now, potential return in the next 30 days is going to be about $2,000. Now, if we draw this out to, let's say, I want to see what is it after a year. Let's say 365 days. Look at that. Look at that. Off my initial investment of $1,156.89, I would have returned $992,657. That's 4 potential Lambos. That is insane. And that's at the current APY, which is 85,900%. So get in on the action while you can. I'm not a financial advisor, as I said, but I say the risk to reward is there, and I think it's definitely worth a shot. I'm not saying put all your eggs in this basket. I am not saying put everything, but it's fine to play around with it a little bit because you never know. The market could go up and down. It can crash down to the bottom. It can go all the way to the moon. Who knows? But in my opinion, the risk to reward makes it worth it. So always be responsible with your investing. This is just a tool I'm just showing you guys how to use. I'm not telling you what to do, but me personally, I'm taking a little chance with this. It is risky, but who knows? It could pay off in the end. And there you have it. I think it's fairly simple to do. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe. We are trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you could do your part, it would be really appreciated. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Till next time.